This is my first year here at Horizon Middle School. I am a PE teacher and my experience has been amazing. Renaissance is incredible. I have never seen stands so hyped up from the kids in the Renaissance program. I've done it at schools before and this is just, it tops it, it takes the cake.
Go first.
Spin that wheel, spin that wheel, spin that wheel.
I love to be in Renaissance. I've been at Horizon since 6th grade and I've actually maintained a 4.0 GPA throughout all the school years.
Okay, first question. Name a phrase that often appears in children's stories. Jane. Jane. The name Jane. Once upon a time. Once upon a time.
This year, they wanted to show kindness for other people and to make everybody feel welcomed, and that to see that Horizon is a good school that everybody should come to, and it's great. It has good stuff, like good activities you could do, like fun outside activities. Food trucks come, cone at ice. It's awesome.
The best part about being at Horizon is the kindness that is shown. I'm so excited that this theme is kindness because we can be nicer to everybody and it can make our school a better place.